Hello everyone, this is Linda, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will explain what is JDK. Before we start it, please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell to receive more videos about Java information. Now, let's get started. So what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment used for developing, debugging, and running Java applications. The JDK provides the necessary tools, libraries, and components required for Java development. And why download it? Here are a few reasons why you need to download JDK. Firstly, Java development. If you are a software developer or programmer working with Java, you need JDK to write, compile, and run Java code. JDK includes the Java compiler, Java-C, to convert Java source code into bytecode, which can be executed on any Java virtual machine, JVM. Secondly, libraries and APIs. JDK provides a comprehensive set of libraries and APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow developers to build various types of applications. These libraries provide functionality for tasks like handling input, output, networking, database access, graphical user interface, GUI, development, and more. Third, development tools. JDK includes several development tools. For example, the Java Debugger, JDB, helps in debugging Java programs. The JavaDoc tool generates API documentation from source code comments. Java Development Kit's Monitoring and Management API, JMX, allows monitoring and managing Java applications. Next, Java Runtime Environment, JRE. JDK includes the Java Runtime Environment, JRE, which is necessary for running Java applications on your computer. Finally, platform independence. Java programs are designed to be platform independent, which means they can run on different operating systems without modification. JDK facilitates this cross-platform compatibility by providing tools to compile Java code into bytecode, which can be executed on any system with a compatible JVM installed. When downloading JDK, make sure to select the appropriate version for your operating system. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell to receive more videos basic of Java information. I will see you in next video.